Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. Again, I'm on my way to check on my 2010 Ford Focus, but before I'll take a nice little run, before I'll share this with you guys, have a look at this. So in the heart of London, London's Westfield. And then that leads us to the Olympic Park. So we're just taking a jog through the Olympic Park. This is one of the many things that London has got to offer. So if you're ever in town, make sure you check out the Olympic Park. It's a very beautiful park. So we've got a few new builds coming to the channel. I'm looking to get a few new cars, but I want you to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see on my channel. So let me know in the comments below. If you like what you're seeing, make sure you smash the subscribe button below. Make sure your bell notifications are on so you don't miss any future videos I might post. Peace! Guys, we're gonna stop the video here, and I'll catch you in the next one.